Hello and welcome to our channel, Swiss Tesla fan. So today I'd like to talk about Wi-Fi. So basically this car can connect to Wi-Fi, but the big question is, why would you want to do that? Well, mostly because there are some things that Tesla does through GSM networks. For example, you can play Spotify here in Europe with the GSM network. But of course, for example, Tesla is trying to reduce as much as possible the usage of data, because of course they're paying for it, or you're paying for it, it's included in the price, but then you have to pay for it yearly. So because of that, they're trying to encourage people to use Wi-Fi, and they're assuming, of course, which is kind of strange, that everybody has a house with Wi-Fi in it. And this is not my case. I live in an apartment, so there's no way I can get Wi-Fi at home. So why would you need Wi-Fi in your car? One of the reasons is that Tesla prioritizes updates on Wi-Fi. So in order to reduce their bandwidth usage, they will not make all the releases available over GSM. And if you're interested in having the latest and greatest, and also having navigation data, so the maps updated, that only happens on Wi-Fi. So Tesla, actually even their service centers, recommend that you connect the car to Wi-Fi regularly. Now, the thing is, you could use your phone hotspot. That works, I've tested it. But the problem is, if you do that, it's going to imply that you have to stay in the car, or your phone has to stay in the car the whole time, which is not a good idea. I wouldn't recommend leaving your phone in your car, especially if you're not in it. And especially if you're using the way to get in using the Bluetooth connection. And in that case, actually, what might happen is that the car will never lock. So that's really a bad thing. And so what's the alternative? Well, what I do is I use this little device here. It's a hotspot. It's provided by my mobile phone provider. And what's really great about this thing is that not only can it provide a stable connection, a hotspot connection, but it also has a huge battery. So what it means is that I can leave this during the day or even overnight in the car, and it will give the car some internet access, and that way I can download the updates and especially the map navigation data. So for example, you should know that map navigation data is about 2 to 3 gigabytes in size. So make sure if you have a subscription that will actually be unlimited or provide you with enough data so that you won't have any problems. So what I would do with this is I can leave it in the car, hide it somewhere, make sure nobody can get to it, and leave it somewhere where it does have enough network. And that way I can get the updates as soon as they become available for the car. So I just wanted to give you this little trick. It works well. And so if you like this video, make sure to put a thumbs up and subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I release the next one. And of course, this is your channel, so make sure that if you have any comments and questions, use the comments below. And of course, if you're interested in buying a Tesla, you should really use a referral code. It'll give you a free supercharger electricity, 1,500 kilometers right now. And I'll put my referral code in the description below. All right, see you in the next video. Bye-bye.